Need a quick snapshot of your upcoming payments and available credit? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your complete Klarna balance in just a few taps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Keeping track of your Klarna balance is crucial for managing your budget and avoiding missed payments. Let me walk you through finding this information instantly. First, open the Klarna app and log into your account. Your main screen, often the Home or Overview tab, will immediately display a summary of your finances. You'll see a clear breakdown of your available to spend balance for your Klarna card or pay in 4 purchases. Scroll down to view all your active purchases, each showing the remaining balance and the date of your next payment. Tap on any individual purchase to see a detailed payment schedule, including past payments and all future installments. This gives you a complete picture of what you owe and when. A crucial pro tip: enable push notifications in the app settings to get alerts for upcoming payments. This ensures you never miss a due date and helps maintain a good payment history with Klarna. And just like that, you're in full control of your Klarna finances. Monitoring your balance is the first step to smart spending. If this guide helped you find your balance, please give it a like. Do you check your Klarna balance weekly or before every purchase? Share your habits in the comments below. To manage your payments effectively, subscribe for our next video on how to view pending payments. Thanks for watching.